Are you ready to find the perfect fishing kayak for your next adventure? In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best fishing kayaks of 2026, hand-picked for their stability, comfort, and performance on the water. Whether you're a weekend angler or a serious fisherman chasing the big catch, these kayaks bring the features that matter most: smooth propulsion, smart storage, and rock-solid stability, so you can spend less time worrying and more time reeling them in. We'll break down what makes each one stand out, who it's best for, and why it made our list this year. And don't worry, all the products we mentioned today, along with their links, are right down in the description box, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's dive in and find your next perfect fishing companion.
Number 5. Pelican Catch Mode Kayak. The Pelican Catch Mode 110 is a 10-foot 8-inch fishing kayak built for comfort, stability, and easy handling. Its standout feature is the ErgoBoost seating system, which raises you up for a better view while giving you a padded, comfortable seat with handy underseat storage. Thanks to its tunnel hull design, this kayak stays impressively stable, and its wide, flat deck gives you plenty of room to stand, cast, and move around gear-free. Anti-slip traction pads keep you steady and quiet on the water, helping you avoid spooking nearby fish. You'll also find 2 rigging tracks, 3 flush mount rod holders, and a retractable skeg for better tracking in windy conditions. Made from durable Ramex material, this kayak weighs 75 pounds and is built to handle years of fishing adventures with ease.
Number 4. Perception Pescador Pro. The Perception Pescador Pro is a sit-on-top fishing kayak made for everyday anglers who want comfort and reliability. It offers large front and rear storage areas, giving you plenty of room for gear, tackle, and personal items. One of its biggest highlights is the seat. This adjustable lawn chair style seat is often called the most comfortable on the market, making long days on the water much easier to enjoy. The kayak supports up to 325 pounds while weighing just 57 pounds, so it's sturdy yet easy to transport. Designed to track straight and move efficiently, it performs well on lakes, ponds, and calm rivers. With generous storage, smart accessory mounts, and a lightweight build, the Pescador Pro helps you reach quiet fishing spots easily. Proudly made in the USA, it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Number 3. Real Yaks Fishing Kayak. The Real Yaks Raptor is a pedal-powered fishing kayak made for anglers who want convenience without sacrificing performance. Its smooth, fin drive system lets you move quietly and hands-free, so you can focus on the fish instead of paddling. What makes the Raptor special is its modular design. It splits into 2 lightweight pieces, making it easy to carry, store, and transport. No roof rack or trailer needed. It fits nicely in a trunk, closet, or garage. On the water, the wide W hull keeps things stable, supporting up to 380 pounds. You'll find flush mount rod holders, track rails, and storage hatches, everything you need to keep your gear organized and ready. Weighing just 62 pounds, the Raptor is a smart, portable choice for anglers who want stability, convenience, and easy storage, all in one kayak. Number 2. Vibe Shearwater Fishing Kayak. The Vibe Shearwater 125 is a 12.5-foot fishing kayak designed to do it all. Its modular pod system lets you switch between paddle, pedal, fin, or motor power, no tools or adapters needed, so you can adapt instantly to any water. The wide, stable hull makes standing and casting easy, whether you're on a calm lake or open coastal water. For gear lovers, there are 8 tracks, dual power pole mounts, an electronics pod, and a handy storage drawer, so you can customize without drilling a single hole. The summit seat adjusts to 5 positions, keeping you comfortable from sunrise to sunset. With a spacious deck and generous storage, this kayak weighs just 82 pounds, making it a lightweight, powerful choice for anglers of every skill level. Number 1. Old Town Kayak. The Old Town Sportsman Autopilot 120 is a 12-foot fishing kayak built for anglers who want power and comfort on the water. It comes with a saltwater-ready Minn Kota trolling motor, controlled through a Bluetooth remote, so you can steer without touching a paddle. A handy spot lock feature holds your position automatically, freeing your hands for casting and reeling. This kayak weighs 152 pounds and can carry up to 558 pounds total, with 331 pounds for gear and passengers. It includes a comfy mesh seat that's removable, cushioned non-slip flooring, a tackle box, and multiple rod holders. Adjustable foot braces and a large rudder make steering smooth and precise. Note, the motor battery and paddle are sold separately.